go walking. Come on. You can feel that heat. Humidity is 56%. Temperature is 90 Fahrenheit, but they say it feels like 97 Fahrenheit. You can feel that heat in that sun. I might pick some more tomatoes. We only got a couple small ones. I might pick those peppers too. I gotta water the garden tomorrow. These are a walk before dinner anyway. We're having fish sticks. Fish fillets. Come on, Lucy. We don't have time for this. She must be itching. We're waiting on Lucy Barkley. He just waits patiently. Come on, Lucy. You worry about everything around you. Come on. Come on. That's Barkley's pea spot, I think. Let's go. I know this ground will be pretty hot when you guys pause, so we don't want to stay out too long. I'm coming. Lucy, come on. Stop that. Stop that. Lucy. Come on. Lucy. Lucy, there ain't no dogs over there. Somebody use the bathroom. Now what you guys doing? You're making a boring video here. But that's not why we came out. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Lucy, get away from him. Lucy, you got to do anything? Oh, wait. Lucy. Lucy. You going to do anything? I'm blocking you. Let's go in the house. Thanks to folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. So thank you. Gotta move my hand when she shakes like that, otherwise she'll hit my knuckle with the metal. Thanks for watching, folks. Next time. Later.